Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. The last video, go to it and you're going to find it, that signal. Also, we give it to you. What did I told you? I told you to enter from here, from the market, and to take profit of you here. And the stop loss, I told you to put it down here. You can find that video still there. And what did I told you? And I told you put a pending order here in that level here of 24,067, my friend. What the market done now? Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. As you see, my friend, yesterday what did I tell you? I tell you to enter from here and the take profit you put is here in the top of the daily candle of the previous daily candle. And that's what the market did exactly. He went, he hit it. So you make that near to 4% of your capital, my friend. I told you to put stop loss here. It hasn't been hit. Now it go back. Also, we don't care. No matter how much also we making profit, we don't care if it go up or down. For the daily now, my friend, for the people they follow long-term investment or positional trading, as you see here, what the market giving us, my friend, it give us here like a doji or a pin bar. A doji, by the way, is like that one, like that. It try to give you here a doji, like how it happened here. And that one is a bullish signal. And that one is a bearish signal, my friend. That means the price is going to drop. But where is going to drop? There is 2 scenarios, my friend. First scenario is going to drop till here, till that zone here, like that. Then after that, it will give you here a W or something. Then after that, it will go in upward. That's the first scenario, my friend, as I tell it to you before. Another scenario, you came here, you bring that Fibonacci retracement, and you came from that zone here, that one, the last going up till here. Then you draw it like that. So let's do it together. Like that, my friend. Then you came, where is the 61 and the 50? Is it here? You bring a square like that. Then you draw it there, my friend, like that. Like that. Then we dealt in that Fibo, like that. So as you see, my friend, here what we got here in that zone, here, that one. That one is the previous high here, or that peak here, that one I'm talking about. So it might now, the chart of the Bitcoin just fall down only till here. Because me now being followed today, all the whole day me are following the Bitcoin. Because me I enter a short term here till here. Now in 1 hour and 30 minutes it giving now a bullish signal, but we don't know what's going to happen. But in 4 hours there is no bullish signal. So maybe it's going to drop, my friend, just till here to touch here again, that level here. Then after that it will go up. So that one is the first scenario. Second scenario, it will drop till here, till down here. And that one, if you want to see how we draw it, you can go back to our previous videos and you see it how we draw it. I think everything is too clear, my friend. And our triangle is still valid, my friend. But that level here, it's still very, very, very stronger level, that one. There is nothing break it yet. We don't know what's going to happen, my friend. But till now, we're still in very, very stronger level. And down here, my friend, as you see it, we still have our divergence here. That when me I told you is going to fall down, my friend. Because as you see, what you got here, I got here a divergence in the daily in the volume, my friend, not in an oscillator or something. And the volume doesn't lie. The volume doesn't repent itself, my friend. There is oscillators, they just repenting themselves. It might will give you a divergence, and after that you will not. But volume, there is no line, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. So, as I told you, maybe it's going to drop till that level. And that the first view of me is going to drop till here. Only till here. Then after that, it will go in upward. So let's see what's going to happen, my friend. And let's see our indicator, what they saying, my friend. And by the way, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you've been with us for some time, smash the like button. I want that like button to get explosion today. Everyone here spamming that like button, my friend. Just spam it. Hitting the like button. We want the channel to growing up. If you want us to put for you more content like this, smashing the like button. I want this like button to get explosion today, my friend. I want that video to reach to 100 like today, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it came upward like that. It gave us that peak and we showed it to you yesterday. But now we need the price to come here to that level, or maybe he will drop it till here, till that purple one. Then after that, he will go in upward like that. Everything is too clear, my friend. And let's extend that one of us, that one, like that, to see if that trend line is going to still valid. Maybe it's just going to come to touch it like that. Then after that, it will go in upward again, my friend. So everything is too clear, my friend. As you see it, also extend it. Maybe that one is just going to come to touch it like that. Then after that, he will break in for us that previous high, that one here. So let's hope that is going to be the best scenario, my friend. Because if it's breaking like that, also we go into the overbought area. And that is the best scenario, my friend, for us. So let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, also we still here in the orange. We haven't came up and we haven't become green, because when it's going to become green, that we are at the overbought area. Till now, it's showing to us, my friend, maybe it's going to happen a correction like that till here, and that's the best scenario for us. Then after that, we're going upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. And another thing, my friend, is going back here. We try to measure here that move, the next move, how much is going to be. Let's bring in that tool and we calculating from here, the old move from here till here, how much it given us. So let's do it together, my friend, to see how much it dropped. 14% that time. The second time, how much it dropped. Let's see it. It dropped 9%. So 9 is the difference is about 5%. So that one now, let's make it like that. And we came like that and we draw it from here. And we will see, you take it 5% from 9, how much is going to lift for you, my friend, is 4. So I think it's going to drop till here, till that level. Also, we said it before, here, my friend, because now it dropped more than 4%, my friend, as you see it. So maybe it's going to fall down till here. Then after that, let's hope it's going to break for us that triangle in the top, like that. Then it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, my friend, let's go into 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, as you see, that candle here, it's finished, my friend. That one here, let me show it to you. It's finished and it's showing here like a morning star here. Because a morning star, how it's happening, a red. Here it came like a candle like that, with big tails like that. And like that, sorry for my drawing. And another green candle next to it like that. So that's what's happening here. If you see it here, what's happening here, what the market giving you, my friend. A red candle, the doji, and here another green candle. So that one is a morning star, my friend. That one, it indicates the market, it will go in upward, but the buyers, they still lower, my friend. So there is no big move upward. But if you see here, the sellers, how big they are, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. And if you remember yesterday, what did I told you? I told you we got here a M like that. and the market is broke it. I told you when it's broke it, you just came here, you calculating from here like that. And I told you it's going to be here. It's going to there. So I told you now it will go until that level here. That level also drawing in the daily, my friend. And after that, it will go upward. And by the way, also we got there a triangle in here in the 4 hours. Let me show it to you. As you see it, my friend, it's closer to the daily, but it's not that 100%. And as you see, my friend, that level here, that one, it's still very, very stronger level. As you see it, my friend. The price every time he touch it, then he drop. So till now, we don't know what's going to happen, my friend. Till, as you see here, sorry, let me show it to you. As you see here, my friend, here in that zone, how many times it's being touched first, second, and third. And there is no power to break it up. So the sellers in that area here, this still very, very stronger. We don't know what's going to happen, my friend. But as I told you, me, it's going to drop just till that level here. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Remember that. And when it's going to happen, you're going to come and you tell it to me. If you can tell now our analysis is very valuable, my friend, smash the like button. What you going to lose, my friend? Just help us. And if you are someone who still want to learn how to do technical analysis, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course, not by us, by Udemy. The course is going to teach you everything, my friend, about technical analysis. Believe me, my friend, when you finish that course, you're going to be a pro technical analysis, and you learn from pro people that the job of them and that what they do for living, and they are certificated technical analysis people, not fibs, not drama, not nothing. If you want to learn, the course is down. And by the way, the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. Is the price of a cup of coffee if you're using the link down. So let's continue our lesson, my friend. So my friend, as I told you, is going to drop till here, till that level here. And after that, we're going upward. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. So let's go into our indicator. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it started going outside of that box or the overbought area. But as I told you before, what did I told you? I tell you before, my friend, also we got here a trend line is like that, as you see it. Now our indicator, he came to touch it again from the top like that. So let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, let's draw it together like that. So he came to touch it from here. So maybe from now it will go upward again. We don't know because the market is showing us we are going upward now, but we are not sure till now. So let's go into 30 minutes to analyze for you more, my friend, and for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes, if you being someone who will be following us from some time, what did I told you last night? The last video, go to it and you're going to find it, that signal, also we give it to you. What did I told you? I told you to enter from here, from the market, and the take profit of you here, and the stop loss I told you to put it down here. You can find that video still there. And what did I told you? And I told you put a pending order here in that level here of 24,067, my friend. What the market done now? The market now, my friend, what it did, he went, if you enter from here till here, and he hit him for you the target, and he hit him for you the target. Then after that, he dropped, he enter you the second pending order here. And now what the market giving you, if you see here, my friend, here, here, and here, and here. He give you here a W, my friend. And another thing, if you came here to the volume, my friend, here, like that, and here, like that, what you saw in, my friend? It's a divergence, my friend. It's a divergence in the volume. So what that mean, my friend? It mean now us from that level here, maybe it's going to go upward again till here, or that the first scenario, as I tell it to you in the first, you enter from here in the market now, and you put another order here down pending order here. Let me show it to you. So you enter now, my friend, from the market now, and the pending order you put it from here from 23,737, my friend. Stop loss of you, where is going to be? Let's show it to you, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Stop loss of you, my friend, it needs to be here lower than that level. Stop loss of you, it needs to be at 23,361, my friend. Here, lower than that level here. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? So, let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, even here, he give us here a divergence, my friend, as you see it, like that and like that. So it's a highly chance also we are going to go upward again, my friend. But if it enter here to the oversold area, you buy more. But you, if you are a day trader or someone he aim to earn quick profit, you need to put stop loss, my friend. You are not an investor. Investors will just put in money, it stay there for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. If you want to make quicker money, you need always to put stop loss, because sometimes the analysis it become right, sometimes it's wrong, my friend. So everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. And by the way, if you are not subscriber, subscribe. If you've been with us for some time, smash the like button, my friend. So see you in the next video, my friend. Bye for now.